Hey y'all! It's early. You can tell by the bags under our eyes. It is 4:44 in the morning. But guess what? It's almost Travis's birthday. It's Saturday, January 17th. His birthday is the 20th. And we're going fishing on the Gulf. So that's what we're doing today. See you in a minute. Okay, we made it through the cold, cold water and the cold, cold air. And Travis has already caught a sheep's head fish, and we are out here today with Captain Camille with, what is the name of your charter, sir? High Class Hooker. Make sure you look it up, but Dennis says don't Google it. All right, Emily got a sheep's head. Can we see what the sheep's head looks like?
I got teethers like this.
You got teethers? Look, he's pretty. He got his teeth here. Yee, he's got little teeth. Look at that.
People teeth.
Yeah. Alright, everybody's getting a little bit of something. It's warming up a little bit, so maybe we'll have a little bit of luck. Ooh, Travis got a trout.
Good job.
Let's see. Hey! Little trout fish.
Nice sheep's head. Nice.
Alright, Dennis got a sheep's head.
That's a big one. There we go. 2 on.
Ooh, Travis got one. Dennis got a sheep's head.
Oh, Travis got one too.
Let me see. Ooh, that's a big one.
That's a goodie.
That's a good size one. Look at him. Man, he's plate size. Nice. Travis got a little baby one.
Oh, he's so cute.
That's
Are we keeping fish for dinner today?
a big one.
No.
I don't think so.
No.
It's very good eating size.
Yeah, no. I don't eat fish, so don't ask me personally, but everybody seems to like them. So.
Huh.
Well, next time, sure, we'll keep it.
Look, he's so patient. He's like, dude, can you get that out of my lips?
Freezing cold.
I caught a good fish. I caught a good fish. He's pretty feisty.
Little baby one.
Little baby one. That's a little baby
Oh,
one?
dude, these things can get over 100 pounds.
Really?
Yeah, that's the size they give for Philippi.
He's pretty good size.
Off of Philippi Creek.
Yeah.
These are the good eating size.
Let me see. Wow.
So they look
He's
like
pretty.
a sheep's head. Put him right down there in the water, buddy.
What do you got?
A baby.
Oh, he got bait.
Little bait. Yeah.
Okay.
So these, he'll lose the stripes as they get bigger. They turn like a nasty black.
He come up. He took himself off.
Oh,
And it's called a black drum?
black drum. These are red drum's ugly cousin.
Red drum's ugly cousin. Okay.
They taste better though.
Do they?
Can we have him? Eat him?
It's all yours.
Do you want to eat them?
You want to eat him?
I'll clean him if you want to.
Yeah, I kind of want to.
Okay. Well, Travis and Emily are going to eat them.
Legal.
There you go.
You can pull in them. You
Get
got
it.
it.
Just reel. Just reel.
How big is he?
15.
Right tip up.
All right. What's Emily got?
Mangoes.
A baby.
Emily got a little baby fish.
Yeah, watch that.
All right. Travis got a nice sheep's head.
Oh, they're not bad.
Stabby and everyone.
Okay. That's nice.
You got it?
Let me get you a picture really quick. All right.
There's a lot of complaints up front, right?
Hey now.
Good job, man.
Hey, babe.
All right. Dennis got a snook. Look at that. Here's a birdie snook. Nice. All right.
with this one?
Yeah, you need to get a picture. Hang on a second. Let me get my camera out here.
In there. That's razors in the back.
Yeah. Woo. All right. Okay. He did a whole dance.
You don't want to leave.
He did a whole dance on top of the water.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that. Emily got a red. How pretty that is.
Yeah,
Nice job. Very pretty.
Flip him.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Hang on. Let me get my other camera out here.
He's kind of cute.
He is very cute. Travis, stand there with her.
Come on, Travis.
That's your almost wife? What's wrong with
You
you?
want to kiss your fish?
It's your fish. You got kids.
Give him a big old smooch for good. Bill Dan. I've heard of Jimmy Houston.
All right. Travis caught a big.
Another stud.
Wow. Wow. He's oh.
That is a damn good one.
All right. I got a bite.
You catch it. He's on it. Really? He was on there.
He wasn't on there. That's a nice one.
Let it go.
All right, how's it going?
Pretty.
You want another one for tacos?
Sure.
Put them in there.
I'm gonna make some fish tacos out of that guy.
We decent flavor.
All right, Dennis finally got a big old fish. Oh man, he's
Finally.
flying.
Commentary here?
Look at that. All right, look at that. Okay, I couldn't film this because I was busy chasing this thing. It's a big sheep's head fish that I just caught. And I wasn't even paying attention, and then my line went bye-bye. Okay, sit down. Everybody sit down. Oh no, I got a fish. I got a fish. Here we are, reeling a rock. He's slipping in poop, and I got a fish. We almost died. Emily's having a heart attack. I got another sheephead.
That was funny.
Come on now. Apparently what we need is for somebody to come along and make a huge wake, and then the fish will just magically jump on your line. That was serious. Nice, Mr. Pelican.
That was a good hit.
All right. What'd you get, Travis? Oh, sheep's head.
Oh.
Look out. Oh, no. Go away. Fly away, Pelican. Fly away. You are not allowed to have that fish.
I got some.
No, sir. Uh-oh. He's gonna come get yours now.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Stud.
Can you stop?
A lot of grunting over there.
Comes a pelican. He said, give me that. Can I have that? So this bridge is opening up right here. How cool was that? Gonna let this big boat go through here. I mean, if I had that boat and he had a feather in his armpit, we would both be tickled. So the bridge we're coming up on right now, it spins, rotates, instead of raising up, you know, from each side in the middle. This one actually turns and rotates to allow boats to come through. You go underneath of it, you can see the big gears underneath of it where it turns. It's actually pretty cool. Turned out to be a nice day. Said it turned out to be a nice day.
Beautiful now.
Beautiful. It's probably about 72 degrees out right now. It feels absolutely amazing right now. Ain't no party like an island party, because the island party don't stop. They're doing Florida man stuff, Florida woman stuff. Looks like fun to me. It turned out to be a really warm day today.